Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज एशियन इक्विटी मार्केट्स इज अंडर प्रेशर. कल यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट्स क्लोज्ड इन द रेड और वो फॉलो थ्रू आज भी कंटिन्यू है. डॉलर इंडेक्स इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, यूएस बॉन्ड यील्ड्स आर हायर, ऑयल प्राइसेस आर गोइंग डाउन, but the headlines is being made by the Chinese currency because Chinese currency is trading at the lowest level since 2020 against the US dollar. So USD CNH is 7.02, closer to 7.03 even. जिसके कारण we are seeing a weakness across the Asian currency pack. And USDINR in the offshore is trading higher, 79.84 as we speak on the spot reference. So which means once again the 80-10 का जो resistance है, which has been defended so well, whether due to RBI intervention, FPI selling, speculative short positions, whatever has been the reason, 80-10 has been defended quite well on the spot. So that zone can once again be tested due to the global factors. Now, how to play this market? It's a very tricky market to play because positional trades are not working at all. Because the market has been oscillating with this wide range of 78.5 and 80 for the last almost 6 to 7 weeks. So इसके लिए one way which has worked out, or one kind of a strategy which has worked out over this period, is a short iron fly. We have explained this quite a number of times that iron fly में क्या होता है कि you short a straddle and you buy a strangle, जिससे कारण it becomes hedged, and that allows you to stay with the position till expiry. Like a case in point, we went short the 79.75 iron fly expiring on 16th, that is today. We went short last week. What happened in between was the dollar rupee plunged to 79 even on the spot, and then it bounced back. So when it was at 79, we were able to stay with the iron fly short because our position was hedged. But as now the dollar rupee has pulled back well above 79.75, somebody who was short on the iron fly can now book profit. So this has been the advantage of being with an iron fly, because the market has been wildly oscillating. So it will just suddenly drop and suddenly rise, but then come back to where it's started. So as long as this kind of a price action continues, iron fly is the best strategy. Apart from that, if you're looking to play futures long, then it is not a time to be long in the futures, because it's now getting close to the upper end of the range. Only if it breaks out above 80-10 and sustains on the spot levels, then it's a clear bullish breakout, and then we can look to buy futures. But till then, it is advisable that you don't go long futures. Now, one can even play contra now because it is coming to the upper end of range. So closer to 80 on the spot, you can go short because your stop loss is well defined. That is 80-10 के ऊपर अगर ये sustain हो रहा है, you exit, and you can even reverse your shorts into longs. So with a well-defined stop, you can look to short closer to 80 levels on the spot. Support levels will be 79.5 and then 79.30 के आसपास. So in between supports are not very strong. So 79.5 and 79.30 are the support level. Intraday में हो सकता है on the futures 70.65 is the support, which is roughly around 79.75.80 on the futures. September futures is the support. But this is lagbhag the overall price action and how you can play it. Straddles are better. You can avoid shorting straddles because, as I said, this kind of wild gyrations in the market is not advisable. Or next week we have the Fed meeting. So shorting a straddle is not very advisable. Strangle is okay, but better than a strangle is an iron fly. If you don't want to do an iron fly, then you can max go for a strangle. But again, a strangle has an unlimited risk, so you need to maintain a proper stop. Coming to the crosses, cross INR, GBP INR and Euro INR both can be under pressure. So because Euro dollar and GBP dollar are falling. and yen INR can also see a bit of downside as well. But in yen, as we have written over the past 1 week, that it is better to stick to intraday trades than positional ones, because Bank of Japan ka intervention risk has increased, and if that intervention happens, it may happen overnight. That is early hours when our markets will be closed. So it is better to stick to intraday positions in JPY than take positional bets. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.